Welcome back to the VST channel, everybody. The topic for today's video is going to be some of the best wallpaper applications for your phone. And if you have been closely following up my channel, you know that I change my wallpapers probably about every day. Yes, I know, that sounds like a problem, like a person with issues, but you know, at least it's beautiful. So today, guys, I want to share with you the experience that I'm having with what I think are some of the best apps that you can use. And I have some good news. 90% of those apps, so I'm going to share 4 apps, 3 of those apps are actually going to be free. I'm going to start with one of the applications I think is really the best out there, and it's called Amulet Backgrounds. And you know why this is so beautiful. This Amulet Backgrounds application, in fact, is an aggregator for a Reddit thread. I'm going to put the link down below to the Reddit thread inside the video description, so if you don't want to use the app, you can just go there, download it. But this Amulet Background app is really beautiful because it aggregates all these nice, magnificent wallpapers. And you can just see, it's called Amulet Background. So of course you might think, yeah, it is useful for phones that have AMOLED screens, which means black and color, right? Which is pretty much what you can see here. There are several sections on the top, so you see we have hot, we have also new wallpapers, and they are submissions every day. So let's say you are a fan of this heart, you can just click on a wallpaper, right? You can click on view commands and then you'll be redirected directly to the Reddit thread, right? You can upvote whatever you want to do. You can also click thread and go to the link and just download it to your PC if you want. But this button here is where the magic happens. This downloads your wallpaper, and once it's downloaded, you are able to set it, right? Wallpaper set, boom. I have this nice and beautiful AMOLED wallpaper. So let's check the other sections. We have top 24 hours, only the best wallpapers for the 24 hours. This one is beautiful. Let's just download that one. I'm going to set this one. Okay, you see, as simple as that, right? Let me just show you also the remaining sections. If I go back, we have also top week, top month, top year, and we have one called top all. And inside, you're gonna find the absolute best wallpapers. Some of them downloaded more than several thousand times. So let's say this one looks amazing. It is the top of the week, and by the way, you can just see they come really with a nice resolution. This one, by the way, is amazing, so I'm just gonna download it. This is home, and sometimes when you try to download it, there is an error, but then what you can do, you can just click here and boom, make a screenshot, right? And then you can open it from your gallery and you can save it. Now I'm inside my gallery. I can go to more and I can set this up as a wallpaper. I'll hit the apply and I'll set both. Wallpaper is now applied. How beautiful is this? It's really crazy. Alright, time to share you guys one of my other favorite applications. It's called Wallrod. This one is paid, but it's really very cheap, guys. So if you want to enjoy these very artistic, very colorful wallpapers, just download it. There is a guy called Matthias Ecker who is drawing this thing by hand, so they're really handmade. Right, you have fancy wallpapers, all artistic wallpapers. You have also collections, so you have landscape, you have desert. Let me just show the one in a desert. You have really amazing stuff here. You have mountains, you have deserts, you have seaside, and everything is really drawn by this guy. You have also deer, so if you are a fan of the deer, you have all kind of options to download deer wallpapers, also in different color. Of course, there is also a section called Amulet. Inside, again, very beautiful wallpaper. So just let me show you how this works. Let's say I love this one. I click apply. I can set it both on my lock screen and home screen, and boom, as simple as that. Okay, going back to show you the other categories. So we have space. Space is probably one of the best for me because I really dig stuff with space. So we can find all kinds of nice artistic hand-drawn wallpapers with this Wallrod application. Alright guys, 2 more to go. There is one called the Resplash. Inside the Resplash you are able to find all sorts of collection, and the difference between this and the ones that I showed before is this: here you can find some real photos. Some of those photos are incredible, so let's just take the first one, okay? Selecting the first one, setting up as a wallpaper, boom, here it is. It is set as a wallpaper. By the way, guys, you can just see some very useful information. What camera has been used to shoot this picture, what were the aperture, the shutter speed, the dimensions, how many downloads, views, and etc., and which location, so where this exactly has been shot. So you have access to these very nice and fantastic looking pictures from all kind of collections. So if we go to a collection area, you can see that there are the sea, the summer, there are many things. There are retro cameras, there are cameras, retro retro tech. So if you're a fan, for example, of a retro tech and you want to get this nice Sony wallpaper, you can just go download it and set it up. As simple as that. Beautiful. Right, one more to go, guys. This is the so-called PhoneWalls. PhoneWalls pretty much looks like Wallrod, but it has a nice feature. This nice feature is, I can just show you. Inside categories, you have access to Motorola wallpapers, you have access to Vivo wallpapers, to Tecno, to Oppo, to Samsung, to Nokia, to Microsoft, OnePlus, Vsmart, Infinix, Realme, like even Google, guys. So even Android 12 wallpaper. So if you like that wallpaper, you just hit here apply, you just hit set bold, you hit the OK button, and in no minute you should have brand new Android 12 wallpaper. The options here are so many, and you know, Pixel 4a wallpapers, you like that one, why not? If you're a fan of basketball and wallpapers, right, just save it, and here it is, guys. So those are all the 4 wallpaper services that I use, and from them only Wallrod costs some money. Everything else, guys, is free. I really appreciate that you like this video. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna do more like this. If you are not subscribed to my channel, just do this. And at the end, please, you and your families stay safe. And with that said, VST over and bye.